Last time I fell over there. This time I fell here, so yeah, but it's fine. So this is what I've done to try and solve the problem that I had last time. Basically, I had, check this picture out, I had the tank bag over here, which was heavy. I had a huge and heavy box in the back. This climbing equipment was in front of that box on top of the bike, and then I had the tent over up in this part. So all the weight in the motorcycle was basically stacked on top of it, which makes for a very unstable ride. Hell no, bitch! Fucking hell! Shit! Fuck! Shit. Oh, thank God. Oh, bitch! Ow! Ah! So what I did was I got these waterproof bags for the tent and for the food and whatever, and I ditched the big case. I don't know what you call it. It's a big case. It's actually a big case. It's handy. It's very handy because when you go shopping or something, you can leave your stuff inside, and it has a key, so that's good. Anyway, also I bought these little pockets, but they're surprisingly handy too. They take a lot of stuff in them. The water, I mounted it down here. There's one bottle on each side, so it's also as low as I can get it on the bike, I think. And the motorcycle, it feels like a completely different motorcycle. This is where we pass from the road to off-road, so there's a couple of things I need to change with the bike, and also the GPS. No, that's not it. Off-road mode, view map, there you go. Let's see if all those changes, if all that work. Let's see if it paid out. can't believe how much of a difference it makes to have the weight, the center of the weight low down. Because now when you encounter sand or something and you need to dab, it takes so much less effort to ride the motorcycle the way up. Also, I installed risers. These risers are really bad and I don't like them, but they do the job. They work for now. But the idea is to have the steering bar a little bit higher, so you have more leverage over the motorcycle as well. I think that helps. Also, it's more comfortable when riding on standing up actually. And yeah, so I only dropped the bike here as we got into this really deep sand, but it was really easy to pick up, as you can see in this video. Oh, see how easy this is? Much easier. Much easier. Okay, so now it's a joy